Okay, we're at Fort Jesus. The Portuguese built this. Kind of confusing. There's a lot of tour guides, so I'm kind of I sent somebody away, but I don't know if I got it for free or what the situation is. Anyways, we're in MOMBASA, Kenya, and we're going to check it all out. Okay, so we're in. Got some Omani doors right here. So we're gonna just kind of take a look at everything and see what we can capture. From what I know, originally it was Portuguese, they built it, and then later it became Omani. And then I think the Omani had a massive slave trade. So I think there's references to that as well. Hello. Thank you. So I think I just stepped into the restaurant, so I might come back here later, and we're just going to take a look around and see what all we can see around here. Yeah, trying to navigate it is a little bit of a challenge. Yeah, actually I was just reading a book recently, and it talked about how the Portuguese were up and down this coastline, and they would have built this, but then they would have lost it right away. Yeah, actually they have another one in Malindi, which I guess they did have for quite a while. Got cannons everywhere. Let's see. Probably should have did the tour guide, but you just don't really know what they're going to charge you. So let's just kind of walk on in and see. So I think most of what we're going to see here is like Omani, but it was originally built by the Portuguese though. But yeah, they have another fortress called Malindi, and they were up and down the coast of this whole peninsula. Here's Bazaar. So there's a lot of Arabic influence. Some information about it. Probably should have did a tour guide, but I just don't know what. I kind of like just walking around. Wow. Here's the Portuguese right there. So these are all references to the Portuguese. So I think the Portuguese were the original fort builders. Wow. These are the different languages. So it's in German, French. Portuguese wall paintings of Fort Jesus. Okay. Unknown sailors or soldiers that were here in the 17th century. 1634, 1639, they, okay. So yeah, I guess the Portuguese would have drew these. So as you have a particular interest, because I live in Macau, so my whole YouTube channel is based in Macau with Portuguese. So this is very, very interesting. I guess this is what their ships look like too. Money doors. Okay, so we're gonna head on up here. So yeah, when they originally built the forts, let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Hello. British. Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Okay, so this is the lookouts. Amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go back down. So I think we're in the courtyard. So yeah, as far as I know, the Portuguese, what they did, I was just reading a book about it, a really good book about Imperial Portugal. And just how what they were doing is at that time they were trying to get to the East Indians to trade to India. So they went around the whole African coast, and also in India, and they were trying to put trading spots everywhere. So they would put forts pretty much everywhere. And then once they got in, then they had protection. They could leave the people here, and then they'd still be here when they came back. Otherwise, they would have all might not be here anymore, you know. But they built these massive forts. So yeah, Fort Jesus is a nice one. The cannons must be faced. Okay. Okay, let's explore more. So this is kind of new, 1960s. Okay. They're really good views from up here. This looks kind of cool. So this is on the corner here. So we are going to walk up there and just see the Omani house. So I guess what happened was the Portuguese originally built it, and then the Omani took it from them. I think it changed hands quite a bit, but it sounds like the Omani was able to keep control of this whole area through the fort. Omani house. So 1698, Omanis defeated the Portuguese. Okay, so the Omani house. Looks like we can view the city.
when we get independence, next history, so this was money. Watambua viatu. Kaka nyumbani hapa. Umeona? Ingia. Si kama wana mwingine kwamba ni para wao wanakuwa very vigilant na sites zao jamani.
This is why a lot of people wanted to come short.
Very cool. See the ocean way over there too. So we got a skeleton here. We're gonna see what that is. I think it's a whale. Then over there, I just heard him talking about there's a skeleton there. It's a replica. It's of a Portuguese person. Kind of curious the story, but okay. Okay, so this was a whale. Let's take the bones here. So these are the whale bones, and then there was, I guess it came up ashore, so. Okay. Okay. Looks like we're gonna walk up to that spot up there. Yeah, should I have taken a guide? I don't know. I think I could read about it. Okay, so I think this is the last part of it right here. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these steps up towards these flags. So we're gonna go up these steps, see what we can see. Okay. Fort Jesus, MOMBASA. With engravings in here. bit of Portuguese right there. What was you did here at this restaurant? Inside Fort Jesus.